What's going on, everyone? I'm going to show you guys how to install the rear suspension on a Focus ST using the neomax coilovers. So let me show you how to install these things real quick. So without any edit, just a one take. Let me climb down here. So the Silver's neomax, these are the Swift upgraded springs, but the Silver's neomax has gone through an updated rear spring setup. So instead of the spring sitting on an actual rubber seat, it's actually sitting on a perch now. And a way to install this is just like you see it now, where the adjustment is up top and there's a perch down low where it sits in, which comes straight through this hole, as you can see, and the spring sits on that. And as far as the top goes, you take the bolt from the subframe out and you bolt it through this actual collar here, this threaded collar, and that's how it supports and stays sturdy there. So that's how you install it. I hope this helps somebody.